This dictation material has been obtained from Common Word Para 7. In the evening there was himself and there was his brother. Full stop. Generally they were both at home, for neither of them was much given to going out. Full stop. They did not like parties and they did not like the pictures. Full stop. They did not care to pay high prices to see plays which, in their opinion, were generally not worth the money that had to be spent in getting up to town and paying for a reasonable place. Full stop. Neither of the men had married and neither had a regular girlfriend. Full stop. Their evenings were therefore generally spent in the house, and it was the house that they both loved more than any other thing in the world. Full stop. It was certainly a lovely little house, far enough away from the city to be almost in the country. Full stop. It was peaceful and there were good views from the windows. Full stop. From the outside it looked in most ways much like the home of anyone with a reasonably well paid position in the city. Full stop. Few people ever stepped inside, but those who did were greatly surprised, for certainly the inside of the house was not in any way like the common run of houses. Full stop. It was full of the most valuable things, all carefully placed and marked. Full stop. What had been two living rooms had been made into one very large room in the form of the latter. Full stop. The room was white and as clean as if it had been in the hands of the painter that very day. Full stop. Everything in the room was clearly a showpiece, something bought at a sale and for which a high price had to be paid. Full stop. The pictures were old masters and the books were beautiful covered. Full stop. The table and all other pieces had been carefully bought one by one as opportunity and money made such buying possible. Full stop. It was such a room as one might expect to find in one of the great houses built in a past age, but no one could possibly expect to see anything of the kind in such a place. Full stop. The room was priceless, for many of the objects could not be found for a second time. Full stop. And so the brothers spent their evenings and weekends among their much loved objects of art and tried to make still more perfect that which was already perfection. Full stop. It was not often, as we have said, that Mr. Wells left his house with neither his brother nor Miss Black in it. Full stop. But on that night he had done so. Full stop. Work had kept him late in the city and his brother had not been well. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorten and Computer College Shodra.